Did you know? Online income streams have surged over 25% this year alone. Imagine tapping into this trend before 2024 even arrives. If you're here, you're probably asking yourself, can I really make money online fast? Today, we're diving into some of the best methods to start earning from home. It's simpler than you think, and the possibilities might surprise you. Before we switch into our topic, if you're new here, give a moment to subscribe my channel and click like button. Don't forget to press bell icon too, where you get informative videos about money making. All about income. In 2024, making money online is closer than ever to being achievable by anyone willing to put in the time. Whether you're interested in a side hustle or a new full-time gig, there are plenty of fast-track methods that don't require a big following or tons of startup cash. And today, I'm going to show you how to make this a reality. Now, you might be thinking, is it too complicated? Are all the opportunities just scams? Or do I need to be some kind of online superstar to make this work? Let's face it, the internet can be a minefield. But here's the reality. Thousands of people, just like you, are turning these doubts into success stories every day. Let's clear up these misconceptions and show you the real potential hidden in plain sight. First up, freelancing. If you've got a skill, there's someone willing to pay for it. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide, letting you start earning from day one. Freelancing doesn't mean you need to be a tech wizard. Simple skills like writing, graphic design, or even being a virtual assistant are in high demand. If you can help someone solve a problem, you can make money. And big advantage of freelancing is that it allows you to start small and build up. Begin with manageable projects to gain experience and gradually work your way up to more challenging and better paying tasks as you grow confident. And don't hesitate to showcase what you know. Build a profile that highlights your strengths and create a small portfolio with examples of what you can do. This can be a sample article, a mock-up design, or a simple spreadsheet if you're offering administrative services. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. Love teaching? Platforms like VIPKid allow you to teach students worldwide, all from the comfort of home. You don't need to be a certified teacher either. Tutoring in English, math, or even hobbies like guitar can all bring in decent income. It's flexible, fulfilling, and you can earn fast. Let me explain more about online tutoring. It's not only about educating or helping students with school subjects. It's also a chance for you to share your skills and passions with others. For example, if you're great at playing guitar, painting, or even have expertise in a specific area like coding or fitness, you can tutor others in these areas as well. This allows you to make money while sharing what you genuinely love and are passionate about. I suggest not to focus solely on earning. Instead, choose something that aligns with your interests and passions. If you have a love for playing guitar, creating art, or teaching languages, consider tutoring in those areas. By selecting a subject you're enthusiastic about, you'll not only generate income but also find real joy in your work, making it much more sustainable and rewarding in the long term. Additionally, remember there are many tutoring options, from academic subjects to creative and personal development skills. You can teach anything from photography to digital marketing, cooking, or even meditation and mindfulness. The more options you explore that align with your interests, the more likely you'll build a tutoring profile that feels both profitable and personally satisfying. E-commerce is another powerhouse. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify let you start selling without needing a warehouse or upfront stock. With print-on-demand services, you can design products that get shipped directly to customers. Or consider dropshipping, where you handle sales, and a supplier handles the rest. This is hands-off income at its best. Now, if you're interested in starting an e-commerce business, here's some advice to get going smoothly. First, take time to find a niche that excites you or that has a specific demand. Research what products are popular or trending, whether it's custom t-shirts, unique jewelry, or sustainable home goods. Also, consider using tools like Google Trends or exploring social media for insights on what people are currently buying. Starting with a niche that genuinely interests you can keep you motivated and make it easier to connect with your audience. Next, focus on creating a strong brand presence. Even if you're using print on demand or dropshipping, try to design a unique logo and cohesive style for your shop, as this will help you stand out. Quality visuals are key. Use attractive product images and craft detailed descriptions. And remember, customer service is crucial in e-commerce. Engage with customers through clear communication, respond quickly to any questions, and handle returns or concerns professionally. Taking these steps can build trust and set your shop up for long-term success. Now, let's look at a real success story. Pat Flynn, a leading voice in online entrepreneurship, started small. His first big win? An ebook on passing an architecture exam. By leveraging that success, he branched out into freelancing, courses, and affiliate marketing. Today, he's built a thriving online empire, all from that first step. His story shows that with consistent effort and willingness to learn, you can turn an idea into an incredible online income stream. Pat's story is a powerful reminder that everyone starts somewhere, and often, that somewhere can be small. What matters most isn't having all the answers up front, but having the courage to start and the drive to keep going. Think of your first project as the foundation. You don't need to achieve massive success overnight. With every small step and each new skill you learn, you're building momentum towards something greater. So, if you have an idea or a skill you're passionate about, now is the time to act. The online world has opened up countless doors, and your journey can begin with just one step, just like Pat's. Remember, consistent effort, adaptability, and a willingness to grow are the keys to transforming that first idea into a thriving income stream. The path won't always be easy, but if you stay focused, you'll be amazed at how far it can take you. Once you get started, the possibilities multiply. Many people move from freelancing or tutoring into things like affiliate marketing or even selling online courses. Once you're familiar with the basics, you'll find that there's a way to earn from almost anything online. The most important thing: start with a single method that fits your interests and build from there. When you're just starting out, focus on mastering one skill or method rather than spreading yourself too thin. This helps you build confidence and see faster results. Set small, achievable goals, like landing your first client or making your first sale, and celebrate those wins. Also, take advantage of free resources. Many platforms offer tutorials or guides to help you get started. And remember, consistency is key. Even dedicating just a little time each day can lead to significant progress. As you grow more comfortable, you'll find it easier to branch out and expand your income streams. So to recap, freelancing, online tutoring, and e-commerce are just the beginning. The world of online income offers something for everyone, whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to replace your 9-to-5. And with the digital economy growing faster than ever, your opportunities will only continue to expand. And the best part? Getting started with these methods requires little to no investment. Platforms like Upwork, VIPKid, and Shopify offer free or low-cost entry points. All it really takes is your time, interest, and commitment to learning. With consistency and dedication, you can build something meaningful without having to worry about large upfront costs. Focus on developing your skills and staying motivated, and you'll see that even the simplest ideas can grow into substantial income streams. So, which method has caught your attention? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, or e-commerce, share in the comments below which path you're most excited to start exploring. It's important to take that first step, and by connecting with this community, you're already on your way. Let's keep this conversation going, and feel free to ask any questions you might have. I'm here to help and support you along the way. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of online income is vast, and as you grow and learn, more opportunities will open up. The key is to keep learning, experimenting, and staying committed to your goals. Every week, I'll be sharing fresh tips and strategies to help you not only get started, but truly succeed in building your online income. So, make sure you stay connected and subscribe to the channel for more videos packed with actionable advice. If you're curious about how to get started with these platforms, I've got you covered. Just click on the end screen or the I button above to get detailed information on how to join these platforms and set yourself up for success. Let's keep growing together and turning those online income dreams into reality.